1300 hours Pakistan Standard Time. Assalamu alaikum. This is Radio Pakistan. The news read by Kabal Shamim. First, the headline. President has reaffirmed Pakistan's determination to continue to extend moral, political and diplomatic support to the Kashmiri people in their just struggle for right to self-determination. A rally led by Foreign Minister was taken out in Islamabad today to express solidarity with the oppressed people of India illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Hurriyat leaders have hailed the sincere support of Pakistani government and people, highlighting the Kashmir dispute globally. In Afghanistan, 16 security personnel have been killed in an attack of militants in Kunduz province. And now the news in detail. President Arif Alvi has reaffirmed Pakistan's determination to continue to extend moral, political and diplomatic support to the Kashmir people in their just struggle for right to self-determination. Addressing the session of AJK Legislative Assembly in Muzaffarabad today, he said Pakistan stick to its principled position on Kashmir dispute, whose resolution lies only in the UN Security Council resolutions. The president said Pakistan has always given peace a chance but regretted that India is taking the matters towards deteriorations. Arif Alvi noted that Pakistan-India relation cannot improve without solution of the lingering dispute. Kashmir Solidarity Day is being observed today to express wholehearted support of Pakistani nation to just struggle of Kashmir people for their inalienable right to self-determination under the UN resolutions. The day is also being marked to expose worst ever operation being perpetrated by India occupied forces against Kashmiris in India illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. 1 minute silence was observed at 10 a.m. to pay homage to the martyrs of the liberation struggle of India illegal occupied Jammu and Kashmir. On the occasion, Prime Minister Imran Khan will address a public gathering at Kotli in Azad Jammu and Kashmir. A rally led by Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi was taken out in Islamabad today to express solidarity with oppressed people of India illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. It began from the Foreign Office on the Constitutional Avenue and culminated at D Chowk. Chairman Senator Sadiq Sirjarani, Speaker National Assembly Asad Kaisar, the ministers, parliamentarians and people belonging to different segments of the society attend the rally. The participants raised slogans in support of the Kashmiri people. They were carrying the Kashmiri flags and banners highlighting the India brutalities of the Kashmiri people. Talking to media persons on the occasion, Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi said the Kashmiri people are not alone in their legitimate struggle for the right to self-determination. He said Pakistan stands shoulder to shoulder with them. Chief of Army Staff Qamar Javed Bajwa has said times has come to resolve Pakistan dispute as per the aspiration of Kashmiri people and UN resolution to end this human tragedy. In a statement, the army chief paid glowing tributes to the valiant struggle of Kashmiri people. He said Kashmiri are braving gravest atrocity, human rights violations and lockdown in India illegally occupied Kashmir. In India illegally occupied Kashmir, the poster with pictures of Prime Minister Imran Khan has surfaced in the Srinagar and other area of the territory on the eve of Kashmir Solidarity Day. The poster mentioned, "Thank you Pakistan, thank you Imran Khan for effectively raising the Kashmir issue at all global platform." The poster reiterated that Kashmir would continue their struggle till the achievement of the global of freedom. Meanwhile, Hurriyat leader Shabir Ahmad Dar Abdul Samad Inqalabi in their statement in Srinagar hailed the sincere and pragmatic approach of Pakistani government and its people to highlight the Kashmir dispute globally. Afghanistan, 16 personnel have been killed in an attack of militants in Kunduz province. Member of the provincial council in Kunduz said the attack happened in Khan Abad district of the province. 53 people died of coronavirus in the country over the last 24 hours. According to the latest statistic, 1,302 new cases of coronavirus surfaced in the country during this period. And that is the end of the news. For more news analysis, log on to our website radio.gov.pk and also watch live video streaming of our bulletins on the link facebook.com Radio Pakistan News.